Okay, so I'm very excited about this one. Hopefully it's going to help me make better YouTube videos. Start again. So welcome back to the channel. Hope you've been enjoying my videos. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and share the videos around. Now, today I've just received in the mail my box. It's my Wyral light. Now, it's not a light like a torch, it's a wire camera system. So hopefully I'm going to be able to use it with my cameras and my phone and get some better shots for you guys. So let's get into it. I will say I'm not in my normal place that I've been doing videos due to the person where I normally do that not being able to be there for reasons that I can't mention on YouTube. Anyway, so it comes in this box. Now, it was shipped from Hong Kong, and I was very impressed with the shipping speed and the tracking. It was tracked point by point, told me everywhere that it came. So some nice bubble wrap there. Now, I ordered the 100-meter line extra on top of the actual device, so we'll get to that one in a minute. So, here we go. Oh, that's what's in the box. There we go. Get rid of that box there. Now, you can see here that it is... Oh, which way up to go? That way. So it's a device that carries your camera there. So, yeah, it carries action cameras, DSLRs, mobile phones, gimbal stabilizers, the whole works. What's in the box? You get the Wyral light, the quick reel, the remote control, tightening strap, a ball joint mount, a LiPo battery, universal charger, and 2 end stops. The end stops are important. Let's get into it and you can see what it is. So I do like this box. Should have grabbed something with me to get into this. There we go. Get rid of that. And the other end. Oh wow, look at that. Nice embossed on it. Probably trying to make you think that it is worth the money. This box here is sealed too, so I know this thing is brand new. I am very excited to see this. I can't wait to get into it. I'm going to get something to cut that. Now, here we go. Ta-da! Doesn't that look flash? Now, oh, look at this. The box is even padded. That is swish. Very, very swish. So, we have the remote and we have the device. Let's have a look at this device here for a minute. The arms come up. So what actually happens is the cable runs through here. That's why I got the 100-meter one. It only comes with a 50. The arms hold up, go over, and then this device hangs your camera on the bottom and drives backwards and forwards. So look at that. Let's see if it's got some charge. Nope. Seems to be flat. That looks awesome. I was thinking about trying to build one of these myself, but then I saw this one. Comes with the remote, a nice little handy strap there to go around your hand so you don't drop it while you're filming. So you can control your camera in this hand and your strap in this hand. One way mode, and drive controls there. Okay, let's have a look. Surely there's some instructions in here somewhere. Now, you can buy with this a bag, nice case. I decided not to buy the bag. Okay, that whole thing comes out in here. I'll just give you a shot in there. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? I think you can see that. Very, very well made box. Come on, come out. Get rid of that box there. Okay, welcome to the community. Thanks for purchasing. It started out as a Kickstarter program. good to know. Viral Lite app for Apple and Google. The user manual. Very flash user manual. Gives you detailed instructions on everything. Nice and plain and clean, easy to read, which is really good. Have to read through that one. Now, what do we have here? This one here is the, looks like is the tensioning strap. Nice, not for climbing carabiner on there. Now, as I said, I ordered the 100. The actual Viral Lite comes with this cable. It's the cable specifically for this unit. This is the quick reel. Now, from watching their thing, you pull that out somehow. I did watch this before I ordered it. Might have to read the instructions on that one. What else? We have Australian plug and a 2-pin, I think it's American or European plug. And a 3-pin big chunky one. I'm not sure what country that one is. That one there. So that's handy. On the actual charger itself, it only has a 2-pin straight plug. So I will be using that one there as I'm in Australia. So that will go. Ah, now that's nifty. These, somehow, little clip there, come off. So there's no plugging on silly, funny adapters. Let's see if I can, which way up's it got to go? Like that. So they plug on, you can see that. And quick lock. Now I'm ready for Australia. Good work. If you're going for another country, use the pin that suits your country. I like that. Now it's got a special charger for the battery. There's a little boxy thing here with the 2 end stops. Now they're very important, end stops, so they don't crash into a tree or whatever you're attaching it to. And the swivel head tripod mount that will go on the bottom of that. So I'll be using it with my GoPro mostly. I did the unboxing on that the other day. The plan was to use this with the GoPro. So now the 100-meter cable. Need my knife again. Look out for the knife, don't do this at home. Be very, very careful with knives. Only use them for the appropriate use. Woo! That was fun. Oh, awesome. It also comes with a piece of cardboard. It also comes with its own tensioning strap that goes around the tree. So I have 2 of them, 1 for each wire, and my nice black, which I'll probably be using more than the yellow. Nice black thin cable. It's going to be easier, you won't see it as much in videos. So I do need to work out how these actually work. The video they just showed it was simple. So might have to come back to that. Ah, the clips at the top there. I just saw them pulling it out in the video. So the clips at the top there, then you hold this and run your cable out. So it's a quick reel. I do like it. Now to wind it up, you grab your handle and wind your quick reel back up like that. So yeah, that's pretty good. And then it's a snap lock back into place. There you go. So the top comes up, bang. I was just trying to pull it out. Just like that. Beautiful. There we go. So there you have it. Wire rule light unboxing. That one there is exactly the same. Look at that. Should have read the instructions. Who needs instructions? Wire rule light unboxing and the 100-meter cable for it. Check it out. I might drop a link in the bottom for their site. I'll set it up and do a review on it once I get it going, once I've used it a little bit. But unboxing the wire rule light. Guys, hope you've enjoyed my video. Get out there on YouTube, have fun, get some stuff, make some videos. If you see me out 4-wheel driving or something, come up and say hi. Always happy for a chat. Have fun, guys.